It was the climax of Yuletide Funfair at Adazi Nnukwu Cultural Festival as crowd made up of sons and daughters of Adazi Nnukwu and different parts of Anambra State joined in a fun-filled event held at the popular Afor Market Square. Reading out an abridged story of Adazi Nnukwu written by Mr. Aloy Moka, Miss Emanuela Adobe revealed that Adazi Nnukwu are descendants of Okutu from Umwana, Agwata. Details of this report from here.
Okotu married and one of the wives bore him children, which included Adazi Adaziani, Adazi Nnukwu, and just like their originator, Adazi Nnukwu, people are said to be strong, resilient, and hardworking people. Continuing, Miss Adobe also noted that Adazi Nnukwu are known farmers that share boundary with Agulu Lake and mostly Catholic adherents since from 1907, when missionaries set foot on the town during the period of the first warrant of Buefi Ojiako. This remark, the Commissioner for Culture, Entertainment and Tourism, Comrade John Onyenji, who graced the event, remarked that it's a great and exciting event showcasing the rich cultural heritage of Adazi Nnukwu and Ndibo, bringing out peace, joy, and progress of the wonderful people of Adazi Nnukwu, which is worthy of emulation.
Celebrates our culture. It's not just a masquerade which are very, very amazing. The people here is all about love, unity, progress. Our culture, the dressing, the togetherness, the drinks, the food, the dances, the masquerades, the environment, the ambience of the environment that depicts our culture is something else. It's a great statement about Nnukwu.
The Transition Committee Chairman of Anocha Local Government Area, Chief Gerard Ozo, said that the festival projects the council area positively, showcasing the rich cultural heritage of the community, and appreciated the sponsor and the town union for their efforts in staging the events.
We keep on promoting our culture because we have a government protector who spent on protecting the culture of people and not just Anambra State. So we are taking his line to drive the social agenda when it comes to culture to the grassroots.
President General of Adazi Nnukwu Town Union, Chief Cyril Aneto, explained that the event is an annual one held on the last day of the year, which keeps getting better each year, and also an avenue of keeping the Adazi Nnukwu and Igbo traditions alive and passing it down to the younger generations.
All the that have become here like we try to make sure that the kids learn Igbo language. That's why we introduced that in and then equally women in their dress, we have competition of fashion. Dressing in Igbo attire. So these are the things. I don't know what to say. This is a climate.
Earlier during the kola nut breaking ceremony, the traditional Prime Minister of Adazi Nnukwu, Chief Kanu Ugumba, prayed for peace, progress, and unity for Adazi Nnukwu people and a better year ahead. Different masquerades were on display to the delights of those present. They include Ajofia, Newi, Esesu, Abaloka, and Agaba as different age grades from Adazi Nnukwu joined in spicing up the occasion, which also featured Imambem dance by the women groups, fashion parade by women, and Itu by children. The fearsome masquerade of Adazi Nnukwu, Ishi, Aganampio, and the likes brought the ceremony to an end.